Welcome back to 360 Virtual Autos, where the rubber meets the digital road. Today, we're spotlighting a vehicle that combines the raw power of classic American muscle with a striking aesthetic. Behold the '87 Monte Carlo, dressed in a vibrant shade of orange and sporting a sophisticated black interior. Clad in an eye-catching orange that demands attention, this '87 Monte Carlo is more than just a car, it's a statement. From its muscular stance to the sleek curves that define its silhouette, every inch of this classic has been designed to stand out and leave a lasting impression. Inside, the Monte Carlo boasts a black interior that exudes sophistication and comfort. The attention to detail is evident in every stitch of the upholstery and every gleam of the dashboard, creating an environment that's as inviting as it is stylish. This digital rendition captures the essence of the '87 Monte Carlo's legacy, its indomitable spirit and the sheer joy it brings to those behind the wheel. For more showcases of automotive legends and the journeys they inspire, stay tuned to 360 Virtual Autos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below on what makes the '87 Monte Carlo a timeless classic. Until next time, keep driving.